of creativity and strategy. A game like no other here in the Philippines. This is Art Wars. The search for the next big talented artist is on. 5 contestants who will face different challenges, mix it up with surprise sabotage, all for the battle of one title. Who will make the final stroke in this battle of creativity and strategy? Let us meet our artists.
Ako si Jen Lavin Bueco, 21 years old. Doodle or street art. Siguro dahil bibigay ko yung best ko. Gusto ko rin makalala yung art.
Ako po si Jan Lawrence Adones, 15 years old po. Tsaka mahilig po ako sa oil painting po, tsaka ano po, yung mga digital rin po. Tapos ako po, sa tingin ko po deserving naman po kasi yan po yung talento ko, tsaka para mahasa pa po at maibahagi po sa ibang tao.
I'm Justin Geros, 22 years old. Yung ano ko sa art is digital and oil painting, minsan watercolor. Mahilig rin ako mag-mix media. Kaso, yung ano ko sa art is medyo magulo sa mata ng tao. Dahil sa kanila magulo, pero sa akin napakaayos naman. Kasi yun, hinuhugutan ko naman lahat ng mga gawa ko. Dahil deserve ko manalo rito kasi feeling ko naman magaling ako eh.
Ako po si Regan Sumabat, 17 years old. Tapos po yung forte ko po, kahit ano po, basta po may kinalaman po sa arts. Tapos kaya po ako yung dapat na Art Wars champion. Kasi po, sa palagay ko po, ano na po sa experience na yun po. Kasi po marami na po akong mas magagaling pa po.
I'm Marin J. Alalawi, 17 years old. And yung forte ko sa arts ay painting and the graphics, graphics artist din ako sa sculpture. Ako po yung dapat manalo bilang Art Wars, first Art Wars champion dahil sapat yung skills ko and para dun sa title.
Today's episode is composed of 1 round with 2 sabotage. One of you might be eliminated after 2 episodes until 1 contestant remains. Now, each battle has a corresponding theme and I'm giving you the free will to let your ideas break free. You will be given 60 seconds to shop in our art gallery, take all the materials that you want and what you will need, and when the time's up, there's no turning back. And after that, here comes the fun part. We will be having a mini action called the Art Stop. So all 5 of you will be given 5,000 pesos each and you may use that money to bid for my items that may help you win this competition. Remember to spend your money carefully because that 5,000 pesos will be used for the whole game. The highest bidder will have the privilege to give the blindfold to one of his opponents. And yes, that lucky one will wear the blindfold while we reveal our featured refreshment. So yeah, that person will be facing his artwork only with its taste. Now you have 60 seconds to shop in our art gallery and you can only take 3 materials. Yes, just 3. So choose wisely and after that, after your 60 seconds, you will not be able to shop in our art gallery anymore. Got it? Guys, got it? Okay, alright. So I think all of you are good to go and your 60 seconds starts now. Okay, so this refreshment is one of the best seller here in QK, and for this challenge, you will be creating an artwork based on its appearance, texture, and taste. But to one of you, it will be a little bit more challenging and trickier because it's time for art stuff. So guys, meron akong item dito na pag-aawayan nyo at paghuhulaan nyo. So, pwede nyo to kunin para sirain ang kakayahan ng inyong kalaban. So, are you guys ready? Yeah? So, our first item, drum roll, is a blindfold. So, first item on the list is a blindfold. So, who would give me 100 pesos for this? A blindfold. Okay, 100. 120?
500.
500? Are you sure? 120 and 500. So, 500 going once. Going twice. Sold. Okay. So, sa'yo to ngayon. So, you will choose one of your opponents. Sino ang pipili mo para magkaroon ng blindfold? So I'm not just your host, I'm still your waitress. So, okay guys, you may taste the frap now. Your blindfold. Okay. The next item will be for bidding later during the game. This is artworks. It will not be easy. So your 30 minutes starts now.
Medyo nanibago kasi hindi ako sanay sa sa rules na may mang sasabotahin ng gawa ganun. Tapos kasi sa contest na alam ko yung straight lang tapos walang manggugulo. Yung una kong naisip, kailangan medyo malapit doon yung gagawin kong artwork. Kaya yung ginawa ko, yung naging resulta ng artwork ko, medyo malapit dun sa preference.
Ayun, kinakabahan. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong kaya nilang gawin or gaano sila kagaling sa art. So, hindi nang kaba ko sa kanila. Nung nalaman ko para sa sarili, oh wow, bagay yun, yung sabotage na yun. Nakakaba rin. Medyo nainis kasi na-blindfold ako eh. Yun lang. Yung time kasi hindi agad natutuyo yung yung paint eh. Meron pa akong gustong i-add dun sa works ko. Kaso yun nga, wet pa yung paint. Hindi ko pa siya mapatungan. Gusto kong hintayin matuyo. Kaso parang wala na akong magagawa pag hinintay ko pa yun. Yun lang naging problem ko yun. Pagtuyo ng paint.
Masabi mo dun sa mga comments ng judges?
Nung nagka-countdown na, nung 10 to 9 hanggang 1, yun, na-excite pa ako na gusto ko pang dagdagan ng paint. Parang, 10 seconds na lang, kailangan ko na matapos to. Yun, gusto ko pang dagdagan kasi 10 seconds na lang, wala. Hindi na umabot dun sa oras. Yun lang.
Okay, so your hands are very essential in doing your artworks. But what if you are wearing these gloves? Who would give me 100 pesos para sa mga gloves na to? 100 pesos. Sige kayo, pag-speed and speed. Baka rin ko papag-speed para sa inyo. 100 pesos for these gloves. Anyone? Kaya mo. Pwede mong gamitin para hindi siya makapag-drawing, or makapag-paint, or makabit yung balloons, or yung ginagawa niya. Maraming ayaw mo. 200? 250. Going once? Choose wisely because you only have a few minutes left. 9 minutes left actually. So, Flavin, you should wear these gloves. You should wear those gloves until the end of the game. So, continue your artwork. Okay, guys? Still have 9 minutes to finish your artwork. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! That was a great battle. Keep your hands up. No touching of your masterpiece. Hands up. Okay. That was a great battle, and now it's time to meet our judges. Our first judge is Mr. Don Bunyag, and our second judge is Mr. Rodniel Manaha. So, ayun na ang mga masterpiece ng ating mga artist. So, simulan natin dito. Hindi ko sabihin sa inyo kung sino ang mga nito at kung anong mga bighan nila. So, first, this one. Sir Don.
Bali, dahil parang given na binigyan sila ng pumili sila ng medium na or materials na gagamitin. Parang napagplanuhan talaga niya yung ginamit niya or parang mastered niya kung ano man yung anong binigay sa kanya. Parang hindi na niya kailangan mag-experiment pa. Parang ayun, parang napagplanuhan talaga. Pero ang sa akin lang, parang masyado siyang traditional na papel tsaka pen. Parang gano'n lang. Wala siyang bagong dinagdag.
Sure.
Parang gano'n din yung naisip. Kasi yung sa kanya, painting na, una-una maganda na yung papel.
Okay.
Maganda na mismo yung papel na pinaglagyan. Pero ang hinahanap ko kasi yung yung may elements idadagdag siya, yung artwork talaga. Pero maganda siya kasi maganda yung pagkakagawa sa kanya, yung pagkaka-paint sa kanya. Pero parang kung i-compare mo doon sa Art Wars o doon sa tema nung contest na to, parang may hanapin kang bago. Yung balloons yung madami siyang pwedeng gawin eh. Actually, pwede kang mag-painting dyan, tapos pwede mo ilagay sa bote, gano'n. Hindi ko alam, baka nasa sabotage to. Hindi ko kasi siya nakikita ang ginagawa. Iyon. Sana nag-effort pa ng mas matinding effort para i-represent ng maayos yung artwork. Okay. Yun lang yun sa akin.
Thank you, judges. So, I think all of them ay nag-exert ng effort naman sa kanilang mga masterpiece. So, I think we have a winner for this challenge, na So, okay, let's call back on our artist. So, how are you, artists? Are you feeling nervous? So, I believe we already have the winner. So, with a score of 15 points, congratulations, Kiros! You have won this challenge.
And I'm sorry, Maren, but you have the lowest score for this challenge. But lucky for you, this is a non-elimination round, so you still have a chance to regain this battle, okay? So all of you guys will be playing the second battle round. So your points from this challenge will be added to the next one, so you guys better be good, okay? So prepare yourselves because the battle is still not over yet, okay? This has been a great war, but the battle continues in the search for the first ever Art Wars Master. Again, this is Jessica De Los Reyes. Stay tuned for the greatest art battle of creativity and strategy here in the Philippines. Again, this is Art Wars.